Hello, Science Olympiad grader. Today we're going to be walking through the process of grading documents for the Engineering CAD event for Science Olympiad. We've created an app that's going to make the process of grading quick and accurate. It's called the CAD Checker App, and all you need to do is subscribe to the CAD Checker App through the App Store. So if you've never been to the Onshape App Store, there's a link in the top right of your Onshape interface. Just click Go to App Store and you'll be taken to the Onshape App Store, which is appstore.onshape.com. Simply search for Checker and you'll find the CAD Checker App. Just subscribe to the CAD Checker App and it'll show up as a right panel app in your Onshape interface. Next, you'll just need to open the answer key. So I've got the answer key open right now. So if I open the CAD Checker App from the answer key, I can see the CAD Checker App gives me a couple options. There's a self-check menu and a compare models from list menu. Under compare models from list, you'll see that there's a button just for Science Olympiad competition. So I'm going to click that. The next thing I need to do is just drop all the URLs that I want to grade in this box at the bottom of the page. I can copy paste all the URLs. So here are the documents I want to grade that the students submitted. I can just copy paste the URLs right there. I've actually already copied all those URLs into a text document, so I'm going to grab them from there. I'm just going to hit paste and enter, and I can see that all the URLs drop right there below the grade button. There's also the option to upload from CSV. So I could have used a CSV document like this one, where I've just pasted all the URLs into the CSV document, and then I could click upload from CSV. However I want to do it, I just need to get those URLs from the students and hit the grade models button. Great, now that I've clicked the grade models button, you can see the first thing that happens is the properties of the key are calculated. So I've got two part studios and an assembly. I can see that the mass of both part studios is calculated and the centroid of the assembly is calculated. Each of those is worth 20 points for a total of 60. So this is the answer key. You can see that 4 out of 5 documents, now they're all graded. So you can see it takes a few seconds for them all to get graded. And now all the documents are graded. I can see that student Bill Nye, he scored 40 points. And you can also see the time that it took Bill Nye to create his document. The time from creating the document to the last edit was 34 minutes and 10 seconds. Bill got 20 points for each part studio, but his assembly was off enough that he got 0 points on the assembly, and for a total score of 40. So you can see the time it took Bill and his score. Now, if I scroll down, I can see the other results. Looks like this student scored 57 points. Now, that student might have been working for a while on that document. You can see that it took over a day. You can see the score breakdown there. Now, at the bottom of this list, if any document returned some kind of error, it'll show up at the bottom. So it says the following URLs failed to return a result. So this was a student document. There must be something wrong with it. I can click that document and see what's up. Chances are the student created maybe an extra part studio, and that's what I can see down here at the bottom right. There's something called random part studio, and that is what called through the error, because the Science Olympiad grading app wanted to compare all the tabs in the student doc to the answer key, and that threw an error. So that's a good reminder to tell students to not make sure they don't add any extra part studios or assemblies or any other tabs to their document that might cause an error. Now that I've got all the results, I can see all the grades. And if I want to, I can actually download a report. And so I can download a report to my downloads folder and open that up, and I can see that I've got all the results right here. I've got their name, the document name. I can see how long it took them to create it. Also their score breakdown and the scores for each element, as well as the URL. So, and there's one failed URL down here at the bottom. So it's a nice complete table that'll help me keep track of the results. And that's about it. So thanks so much. Thanks for watching and enjoy.